Welcome to the heart of the New Guinea rainforest, where some of the world's most captivating and elusive birds live, the birds of paradise. Known for their extravagant colors and enchanting dances, these birds are a living marvel of nature. Join us as we dive into the beauty, mystery, and secrets of these remarkable creatures. Birds of paradise are living embodiments of the wonders of evolution. Their allure, radiant beauty, gracefulness, and astonishing displays is unparalleled. They make us wonder, how can such a creature be so exquisite? What makes them so special? With their magnificent beauty and surreal appearance, birds of paradise are not just visually stunning creatures. Each species is a living narrative about adaptation and sexual selection, where beauty and survival intertwine. Females that play a crucial role in natural selection. They can discern even the tiniest details, and any minor flaw can diminish attractiveness. This drives the males to perfect their looks and showcase their beauty to the finest detail.
What is it about New Guinea that has fostered this unique evolution? Why do birds of paradise only exist here, and why have they developed such magnificent plumage, exquisite costumes, and graceful dances? Everything circles back to the core question: how did birds of paradise become such a remarkable phenomenon? What in the evolutionary process created this miracle? Get ready to witness the most extraordinary evolutionary strategies that nature has crafted, where beauty and behavior merge in perfect harmony. A spectacle unlike any other on this planet. Birds of paradise are vibrant testaments to the fusion of beauty and purpose, a masterpiece that only nature could create. They remind us of the wonders of the world around us, a world that is ever evolving and transforming. Let us explore, admire, and protect these natural wonders. Birds of paradise, a treasure of nature, a legacy to cherish and preserve forever. Thank you for joining us in exploring the incredible world of the birds of paradise. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe to help spread awareness about these magnificent birds and the need to protect their homes.